Hi, my name is Jamela, and I was part of the ServiceNow NextGen program. And I want to show you a sample of um, an application that I built with the group. So at the end, one of my requirements at the end of the program, one of the requirements was for me to create an application or for us to create an application. And we took everything that we learned in ServiceNow and applied it to this application. So I am impersonating one of the Nowtown citizens, and she wants to book an event. So she goes in to book an event, and then the next thing she's going to click on is the public library. So what you are viewing right now is what is called the service portal, and you can do several different things in the service portal, but what we created is an application where citizens can go and book an event or talk about a problem like a street light needs to be repaired in the community. So you fill out information on the request form, which we created in App Engine Studio, and then all of this information is being mapped to a request table. So if you know anything about ServiceNow, you know that tables are very important in ServiceNow. So this information is being, once hit submit, all of this information is going to be saved on a table, and you will see that shortly. So um, choosing a date, and one of the things I wanted to point out about this is just part of what ServiceNow can do. Um, but there's a lot of different functionality. So here's the status page. It says an agent is working on this request. So now I'm going to impersonate a person who is, part of the team to fulfill these requests that community. Ooh, I can't talk. Community members make. So I'm going to impersonate the volunteer or the events coordinator. We called her Whitney Jones. So she goes in, she would receive an email about this request being made, and briefly you can see what our table looks like. So this is a record on the table, and this is the request that Jewel Agresta just made. So Whitney Jones is putting in some updates. She's sending, this is how she would communicate with Whitney. She's sending her a message to let her know that, her event has been booked. And then she is going to update this request, the state to close complete because her event is booked. Close complete. So she hits update. And this part right here is the portal, a dashboard, a worker's dashboard, or we call it a fulfiller's dashboard. So now I'm going to go back to the citizen portal for Jewel Agresta and open up the request that she has closed, actually. But she can also see all of her open requests. So she goes to the close request and she sees the comment that Whitney Jones has sent her. So this is just a preview. If you're going into the ServiceNow NextGen program, a preview of what we created. Thank you for watching.